What's good, DNA fam? DJ here, back with another one, and I'm gonna show you how to turn these into these. Yes, this is my first ever sneaker restoration, and I would say I'm pretty prideful of this one to say that I've never done this before. Alright, so let's go ahead and get right into the shoe and get to the nitty gritty. As you can see, this shoe is extremely dirty. It has dirt falling off of it. It's dirt everywhere. I wore these to the pumpkin patch and I had no clue I was gonna get them this dirty. But then they got all messed up, so I just said, F it, let's mess them up some more. So let's get started with the sneaker cleaner. This is the Rejuvenator Sneaker Cleaner Pack. Now you can purchase this online and the link is down below in the description. If you use my discount code DNA, it will also get you a discount. So let's start with this. You have the towel, the brushes, the soap, the bag, and the insoles. All these things are key essentials to cleaning the shoes in this video. So when you buy this kit, trust me, you will be very, very happy with everything that you purchase. So I want to show you a quick look at the brushes. You have a soft, medium, and hard brush. These are all great for different types of materials and different parts of the shoe, as you will see later in the video. So first step, what I'm going to do is brush off all the major big dirt. You can also go outside and clunk these on the ground or whatever you like to do. But for me, I'm going to just stay here in the sink and brush off all the big pieces of dirt, get off that major dust off of there, just to help a little bit with, you know, the cleaning process. Here's a look at the sink just to show you some of the big clumps of dirt that were on the shoe. And now I'm going to show you guys a little bit more detail of the sneaker so you can have a great idea of what it looks like. Now, first thing we're going to do is take out the shoelaces, get those out of the way so we can get down to the nitty gritty of the kick and really start grinding this dirt off. So you want to finger that water real good, make sure it's nice and hot. Put 2 squirts of the cleaning solution into the bucket and then use the hard bristle brush. I'm going to use the hard bristle brush. I would say you should use the medium bristle brush or the hard bristle brush just to get the major big dirt off of there. And as you can see, as I go on here, it's just easily getting it off. It's flying all over the place. So you want to make sure you're in an area where you can get a lot of dirt everywhere. Looking at the shoe, you can already see a lot of the major dirt is off of there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray these down just because I know I plan on putting these in the washer machine later. And it's just an easier way for me to rinse the shoes off. So here's a look at the shoe right now after the first major scrubbing. Now we're going to use the medium bristle brush, and then now we're going to try to get in and get a little bit more of that dirt that's inside the cracks and deeper into the material. That way we don't ruin the upper material as we scrub on the shoe. Rinse it off one more time, get a look at it just to see how it's looking. Okay, you can see obviously the paint is chipping, the shoe is old. Now let's work on the inside, on the tongue and the insole. This is definitely a part of the shoe that always gets dirty. And I think this is a great method to clean the shoe as well. All clean, ready to go. Now let's clean up that sole one time. Use the hard bristle brush on here and then brush down the sole. It should be pretty easy. One take. If you want to get more nitty into it, go ahead and do what you like. But that's cool for me right now. Next step, the insole. This thing's really dirty, so I'm gonna use the medium bristle brush on this and scrub that off. As you can see from the front half of the insole, it's definitely cleaner than the back. I want to repeat that process until it's clean. The shoe has been dried for a day and you can see the dirt where it has pooled in areas on the shoe and dried. This means the shoe needs to go in the laundry now. This is the best part of it right here. I never thought the laundry system was really what you should be doing, but hey, after this, I knew this is the #1 way to go. I never was a believer until today, trust me. So this bag has 2 cinches on it, one in the middle and one on the end. Don't forget to cinch those down so the shoes don't fall out. Set the water on cold, stick them in the laundry, and you're ready to go with the solution. I think we're good. So pull those out. The shoes have went through a full wash and they look in. Let's see. Oh yeah, okay, so it's definitely looking a lot better. You can see the shoe is obviously really wet, but you can't see any of that dirt anymore. So we're gonna let those dry and see what they look like. Okay, the shoe is all dry now, and these are the 3 ingredients that you're gonna need: Angelus acetone, cotton balls, and tape. Now what I'm gonna do is tape the shoe off, and I'm gonna use the cotton balls to slowly take off the paint off of the midsoles. And what I wanna do now is obviously repaint the midsoles. So once I get the shoe all taped up and ready to go, here's a look at it. Okay, now we're ready to strip the paint. So now what I'm gonna do is put some acetone onto the cotton ball, rub that on, run that off, continue to wipe that off. You should use gloves. That was a mistake I definitely made. I wish I would have used gloves, but hey, it's first time, right? So the shoe's all ready. Now I'm gonna retape the shoe again, and I'm going to get ready to paint the black part on the midsole. Now, this is my first time doing this, but I think I did it pretty good. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Take the black paint. Here's my black paintbrush, and it's go time. What I did here was put a little bit of paint on a spot on the bigger part of the shoe, and I slowly feathered it along the shoe to prevent brush strokes so you don't see those in the shoe once it dries. This is gonna take about 5 to 6 coats of each color. I didn't know that. So you gotta take the time between. If you have a hair dryer, make sure you use that to blow dry the paint to make it speed up the process. And we're gonna do the same exact thing for the white. Do some touch up, and then it should be good. Okay, back to the shoelaces. So these are very, very dirty. As you can see, the water's already getting a little dirty. I'm gonna put just a little baby squirt in there just to get a little bit of cleaning going. Okay, rubbing those around in the water, you can already tell the dirt is coming off of the laces. Just look at it right there. Okay, yeah, see, that's pretty sick if you ask me. But hey, we're getting them clean, right? That's what we're trying to do. So we're gonna rub these around. I know, I should have turned the water off, but hey, I didn't. So I'm gonna rub these around in my hands now, get a little bit more water in there, scrub them around in the soap, yada yada, whoop de whoop. You already know what's up. Just like you clean any shoelaces. I mean, this isn't really hard, but hey, we gotta show it in the video, right? So now we're gonna pour the water into the bowl just to verify that there is no more dirt left in there. Look at that, nice and clean shoelaces. Next part, we are going to lace up the shoe. So we're gonna put that insole, it's all fresh and clean, back into there. We're gonna stuff that toe box, get rid of that creasing, and it is time to lace the shoe up. And the shoe should be ready from here. So let's go ahead and show you the differences between the two. All right, you guys, so this is a 360 look at the dirty version, a couple detail shots, just so you can see the differences between the two. There's dirt everywhere, and I got it all off. I think this Reshoevn-Ator is definitely a great option. You should definitely buy it. And here is a 360 look of the clean version and the repainted version. Let me know how you think I did on the repaint job. This is my first time ever doing this. I'm very excited to do more repaints, more restorations. This is definitely some fun stuff. It's like an art. I respect all the artists that do this. Hey, am I artist now?
Stop it.
I don't know. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think about this. I'm very excited to see in the comment sections. And tell me what I can do on tips on how to get better as well. I'm definitely learning from this. So yeah, I don't know. I don't really have much to say besides from go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to subscribe because we have plenty of content coming each and every day. Hot fire, hot fire, hot fire. Dailan, Dailan, Dailan. All right, I'll see y'all later.